Well, hello there. I didn't see you come in. Welcome to Lips and Liquor. I'm so thankful that you're here today because guess what, baby? It's season 5, okay? And we live. Come on! Baby, we just gonna take a little moment of silence because it's season 5 out here, okay? It is season 5 out here. And some of y'all been rocking with me since season 1, okay? So y'all already know the progression and the progress. But one thing that stays consistent, all these drinks. And for my new viewers, if you don't know who I am, welcome to Lips and Liquor. I am JoJo, your host. And around here in this kitchen, I'm the H2KCIC. Okay, so now that we got that brief introduction of myself out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the show. Welcome back to another episode of L Squared, better known as Lips and Liquor, where we talk about all things alcohol, the fermented, the distilled, and everything in between, baby. So go ahead and smack those lips into the weekend. So for today's episode, we will be reviewing a cream liqueur. Not liquor, cream liqueur. It's a difference, okay? But before we get into that, let me go ahead and give you this L Squared fun fact. Okay, fun fact. Cream liqueurs and creme liqueurs are not the same at all. Cream liqueurs contain cream. It's in the name. Creme liqueurs contain no cream at all. They have a higher sugar content and they're a little bit thicker in consistency. So when you read the bottle and it says creme de banana, creme de strawberry, etc., 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 it has no cream at all, higher sugar content, and it is thicker in consistency. There are some exceptions to the rule. You have some brands that have a cream liqueur that's non-dairy. That would technically fall under the creme liqueur category. But again, make sure you just read the labels to know what you're truly drinking. So without further ado, let's get into this review. Today's cream liqueur we'll be reviewing is black owned and LS Cream Liqueur. I've been trying to get my hands on this for a while, and I finally saw it at Bevmo in Southern California, and I ran and I got it. I'll say it again, I ran and I got it. I saw it on TikTok, I saw it on Instagram, and I said, yes, I must have that cream liqueur. Okay, now that my excitement is out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this LS. An ode to legacy, exotic notes of vanilla, nutmeg, coconut, and cinnamon flow from one generation to the next. Infused with the spirit and heritage of cremas, a beloved staple from I-80, LS is an award-winning cream liqueur. Enjoyed mixed or neat, that carries on a proud tradition, a modern twist to an iconic recipe as victory from the past becomes an everyday celebration. Raise a glass to the pearl of the Caribbean. Okay? And I was doing a little digging on their website, and it also says that LS Cream, it is low in lactose, gluten-free, and made with all natural ingredients. And that is what I like to hear. LS Cream Liqueur also has 17% alcohol by volume, and this is a 750 milliliter bottle. And I just want to give a little shout out and plug to the LS company. LS Cream Liqueurs has partnered with Hope for I-80 to fund water filtration systems. If you would like to join the cause and learn a little bit more about it, go to their website down below. Now we've come to my favorite part of the review, the S squared and T squared. And if you're new to L squared, S squared is our sight and smell, T squared is our taste and texture. Right off the bat, when I told y'all the difference between cream and creme, this is definitely a cream. When it poured out, it was definitely thin and just thin in consistency, just pouring into the shot glass. Okay, so just jumping straight into it, it's not as white as most cream liqueurs that I've had before. This one almost has like a slight tan mocha, coffee looking almost. Coffee with a lot of cream in it. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the smell. I definitely smell the cinnamon and the nutmeg. My nose is very like sensitive to cinnamon, so it's all up and through there. It smells like winter, like cozy. Like it smells cozy. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I'm rolling with today, you know?
Bruh.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the taste and texture. And mind you, this is the first time that I've ever tried LS, so you were getting all natural reactions, okay? Okay. Okay. Not thick at all. Very smooth. It goes down really nice. It's not a liquid, but it's not like overly like, it's just the right consistency and texture. As far as the taste, it's really good. And I know that in the ingredients list, it mentioned coconut. Can't taste the coconut, which is a great thing because I do not like coconut at all. So this right here, I can definitely see myself getting into, okay? That's good. Baby, that's good. Okay, so on the Lips Liqua scale 1 through 10, I'm going to give this a 10. I'm going to give it a 10. I really like the creaminess of it. I really love the smell. It's not bad. It's not overpowering. The afterburn is barely there. Like, it's a little tickle. Like I'm starting to feel it in my chest a little bit, but it's not like, it's not like a gut check. You know what I'm saying? The flavorful is very impactful. It's still on my palate. Y'all hear that? It's time for the L squared hour. Hey y'all, welcome to the L squared hour, where we are going to turn our LS Cream Liqueur into a nice cocktail. And you remember when I said that it smells cozy, it smells like home. So I thought, ha! I got it. Today, for the L squared hour, we will be making Nana's liquid pudding. So this is everything that's going in our Nana's liquid pudding today. Of course, we have our LS Cream Liqueur, our caramel flavored vodka infused whip shots, chessmen cookies, sliced bananas, our Ellington Reserve banana flavored whiskey, cinnamon, and we have our skinny syrup in the flavor of salted caramel. Get into it. Okay, now let's go ahead and get started on Nana's liquid pudding. This first part that we're doing is optional. We are just going to get the rim nice and coated with our skinny syrup, salted caramel syrup. We're just going to decorate it a bit, you know, make it nice and classy or whatever. Okay, once you dip the rim, then we're going to go straight into it with our crushed chessmen cookie. Go ahead and grab your handy dandy shaker, throw some ice in there. Then we're just going to go ahead and put 3 standard shots of our LS Cream Liqueur. And then we're going to do a half a shot of our Ellington Reserve banana whiskey. Just a dash of cinnamon, not a lot. Then we're going to take our whipped shots, vodka infused in the flavor caramel. Garnish with more of our crushed up cookie on top. Add a little cookie on the side like Nana used to do it, baby. And then, of course, you can't have Nana's liquid pudding without the Nana. Whew. All right, so we got Nana's liquid pudding. Baby, that banana just dipped in there was good. Let's see what the drink tastes like. Oh, bruh. And that's how good it was. The camera fell back because it's that good. That's the one. But if you don't believe me, you ain't gotta take my word for it. Make this at home yourself. And when you do try it, make sure you use the hashtag L² Nana's liquid pudding. All right. Let me just get one more bite. All right, y'all. From my lips to your cups. Put those L's in the air and give it a big kiss. Mwah. L² out.